February 7th, CA Foundation results declared ആയ ദിവസം. CA ഭയങ്കര ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട് കോഴ്സ് ആയത് കാരണം the majority must have faced failure. ഈ കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം കൊണ്ട് you must have gotten a lot of sympathy, you must have seen a lot of videos on what to do next, but you're still stressed or demotivated. This video is for those students. To start off, let's take a couple of days off. Do whatever you'd like to do. കഴിക്കുക, ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനോടൊക്കെ സംസാരിക്കുക, പാട്ട് കേൾക്കുക. Do whatever you have to get your mind stress free. Our next step is to get back on track. പതിയെ പഠിത്തം റീസ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. At IIC Lakshya, we offer our CA Foundation Repeaters Batch starting on 15th, 16th and 19th of February at our various branches. നമ്മുടെ Repeaters Batch regular batchനെ പോലെയല്ല. Since the students have more experience, our classes are going to be more rigorous and result oriented. So you have to choose your next step wisely.